Are you interested in collecting and analyzing data on customer demographics, preferences, needs, and buying habits to identify potential markets and factors affecting product demand? Then you should consider a career in market research analysis. Hi, I'm Dr. Isha. Welcome to eMango. Come on, let's find out how you can become a market research analyst. Market researcher collects and researches data on customers and competitors. Market research analysts examine market conditions to increase potential sales of a product or service. If you want to be a market research analyst, then take up any stream after class 10th and pursue bachelor's degree in business management, mathematics or related stream after class 12th. You might need to sit for entrance exams in India like AIME, DU JAT. For overseas, you will need to sit for exams like IELTS, TOEFL, SAT, GRE. Entrance exams are highly competitive, so yes, you need to prepare well. Some of the colleges or universities in India offering the course are Shahid Sukhdev College of Middle Studies, MIT University, Noida. Course fee in India for such colleges is approximately 30,000 to 60,000 in government universities and approximately 1 lakh to 4 lakh in private colleges. Foreign universities like Western Governors University, York University, Toronto Kingston University and many more universities offer good courses in this stream. Course fee across globe in US around $3,000 to $40,000 and in Canada around 20,000 Canadian dollars to 60,000 Canadian dollars. If you are investigative, enterprising and conventional and possess skills such as active learning, critical thinking, reading comprehension and writing, then we strongly suggest you this career. Salary in India is approximately 10 lakh to 50 lakh depending on the amount of experience you gain. Salaries across globe in US around $37,000 to $78,000 and in UK around 17,000 to 41,000 pounds. Did you find the information useful? We can help you with even much more. We at eMango understand that your career will be best fit for you only when it suits your aptitude, personality and interest. After a short assessment, we will create an end-to-end path design of the right career for you, help you in knowing about various entrance exams. We take you from form filling to the place you will apply for college. Make your career with eMango. Let's go.